Made from pantry staples, this warm, cosy, super satisfying brunch is a real winner. Start by spraying a large non-stick frying pan with low-calorie cooking spray. Add a chopped onion, 3 cloves of crushed garlic and about 3 tablespoons of water. Pop the lid on and let it cook gently over a low heat for about 10 minutes until the onions soften. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of cumin and 2 cans of chopped tomatoes with herbs. Let this simmer uncover for about another 10 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Add a tin of beans. We've used cannellini beans, but feel free to use any you like. Stir in some baby spinach, keep simmering until the spinach wilts. Now the fun part. Make 4 small wells in the sauce and crack an egg into each one. Cover and let the eggs cook for around 5 minutes until the whites are set and the yolks are cooked how you like them. And that's it. Simple, hearty shakshuka using mostly store-cupboard staple ingredients. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, healthy meals.